FreeBSD versus Debian, two Unix titans compared. When it comes to rock-solid Unix-style operating systems, FreeBSD and Debian are often top contenders. Both are open source, stable, and respected in their server environments, but they do differ in philosophy, system designs, and community approach. Whether you're hosting web servers, running firewalls, or building secure infrastructure, understanding the distinctions can help you choose the right one. So let's go and start with FreeBSD. So FreeBSD is a Unix-like operating system that descends from the original Berkeley software distribution. It's known for its advanced networking features, robust ZFS support, and a clean, consistent architecture. Unlike Linux distros, FreeBSD is developed as a complete operating system. Kernel drivers and userland all are maintained together. Pros: very stable and clean system architecture, powerful networking stack, jails and ZFS support, high performance and security focus, excellent documentation. You also get a FreeBSD handbook. Setbacks: smaller community compared to Linux, less hardware support, especially for newer devices, and fewer pre-compiled packages. Port systems can be slower to build. Next we got is Debian. So this is one of the oldest and most influential Linux distributors. Its foundation for many popular distros like Ubuntu, known for its stability, massive package repositories, and strong community-driven governance. Debian is versatile, great for desktop, servers, and embedded systems. Pros: huge software repository with apt package management, strong community and long-term support, excellent hardware compatibility, ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Drawbacks: slightly slower to update packages, complex dependency trees for custom setups, and less cohesive design. Final thoughts: go with FreeBSD if you want tight system control and advanced networking, also a traditional Unix feel, especially for servers and infrastructure, or go with Debian if you want broad hardware support, access to thousands of packages, and a familiar Linux environment.